It all started in 1972. After tougher emissions laws were passed, the small and spacious front-wheel drive Civic was quickly imported to the U.S. With a sleek design, tight turns, and an enjoyable ride, the Civic was the fun-to-drive car everyone in America couldn't wait to get their hands on. Yeah. Now let's boogie! By the 80s, the Civic was available in a hatchback, sedan, and wagon, taking Honda from a niche automaker to a key player in the auto industry.
Now with 4 doors!
And just like that, we began producing the raddest Honda on the road. The 90s. The era of tuners is finally here. Booyah! Thanks to VTEC, the engine was now able to perform like never before. Well, isn't this sleek ride all that in a bag of chips? Now, let's see what this baby can do. Looking good. Thank you, technology. By the mid-2000s, the Civic was a fan favorite that was turning heads and gaining national recognition. As new tech arrived, Honda was quick to innovate, and the modern cabin experience was born.